Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with some new Dollar General LA Colors finds. There is eyeliners, there's mascaras, and there are 3 new palettes to the Dollar General. So excited. Lemon Drop, Berry Kiss, and Peach Fizz. Also on their website there is a blue one. So like some kind of like blueberry one. But that one is not in stores. Today we're going to be playing with Lemon Drop. These palettes are so pretty. So pretty. And as far as the eyeliners go, there was 3 to the store, but there's about 8 in the line, I believe. You can find all the stuff on LaColors.com. They also, the prices vary. These were $2.50 in the store. They are $4 online. Eyeliners are $2 in store. They were like $3.50 online. The mascara I don't believe was even on the website, but it was $4. So let's get that out of the way. We're doing a halo eye today. So I've already primed my lid. I have powder to catch fallout under my eye. And first we picked up that mustardy orange yellowish shade and put that in the outer corner, inner corner. And now we're taking the yellow matte in the palette and blending out the edges of our crease. Halo eyes are so easy, so fun to do, and my favorite part is that they're easy. They're easy to blend out, they're easy to achieve, very quick looks. So that's why I chose to do a halo eye today. Now this is new to me, AOA Studio ButterCream Neon Gel Eyeliner and Eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking that. You can find these on shopmissa.com, and I'm just applying that to the center of my lid. Now, looking back on this, I probably would have applied a white one because I didn't really even think. I just wanted to test these gel eyeliners out. So, and you can use them as eyeshadow. So I placed a shimmery golden shade on top of it, which literally turned out to look like, you know, pale shimmery yellow that's actually in the palette. So I would have used that instead. This is not really what I was looking for in the center of the lid, but we rode with it. I was already doing it. I'm not taking it off. And we're going to do some blending. I used my finger to apply that. These shades are pretty pigmented. Yes, they are a little powdery in the pan especially. Some of them will give you fallout on your face, but for the most part, for a $2.50 eyeshadow palette, you cannot complain. These are bright, beautiful colors. This color store also reminds me of the ColourPop Oh Honey, and not completely of the Urban Decay Honey palette either. But if you were looking for a palette with like a bunch of yellows and stuff, but don't want to spend a lot of money, well, here is an option. So we're going to apply that shades to the lower lash line, smoke that out, and I'm putting that same AOA Studio gel eyeliner in our waterline. These for $1, I am so impressed. Like, I haven't been super impressed with something from like Shop Miss A in a long time. Like, I mean, I'm always enjoy their items, but super impressed with these neon eyeliners that they come out with. And I use an LA Colors Auto Liner in white in my inner corner, and I'm taking that white shimmery golden shade in that Lemon Drop palette and put it in the inner corner. I'm going to tightline my upper rim. I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner. Also, another hindsight, if I would have done this look again, I would skip out on the eyeliner altogether. I think that it would have been much prettier, in my opinion, without the dark Stark on top. I'm trying to use that eyeliner up, so that was just, you know. This is the mascara that I picked up. It's called Biggie Lash. And I love the nice purple packaging. I did a couple coats of that. It doesn't look too bad on the lashes. It did give me a little bit of volume, tad bit of length. It did do a little bit of separating. I still did have a little bit of spider lashes, but for $4, I'm not going to complain that much about it, especially when I pick up the dollar ones and they are way worse mascaras. So the Believe Beauty setting spray set our makeup in place for all day, and that's the finished look. Very quick, very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, stay tuned for the rest of the tutorials. I definitely filmed one for Berry Kiss, and I'm working on Peach Fizz, so stay tuned for those to come come out. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and will try to look out for yourself. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for a product list as well as other links. And thank you so very much for watching.